This is TWiT.
All right, so my pick this week is another Anker product. This is something that was jaw-droppingly awesome, and absolutely something that I think it's just a brilliant idea. So I'm going to grab it. It's in the box. So it comes in kind of a big box. When I got it, I thought, oh my, this seems rather large. But that's because there's a lot going on with this device. So this is called the Anker 637 Magnetic Charging Station. And it's called that because it is a full-featured charging station. So you get a nice long plug that you plug directly into the wall. It's got, an AC plug on the back end of it. And what I like is that it comes out of the corner of the plug. So when you plug it in, it doesn't stick directly out. The wire doesn't directly stick out, and it doesn't get in the way if you decide to plug it in the top one because that plug comes out of the side there. It's angled downward. But on the front of it is a magnetic charging spot that will work with an iPhone. So I can take, and I'm trying to unplug now my iPhone. I can take my iPhone and I can stick it onto the front of here, and it will stay there because it's magnetically attached and charge my iPhone. Now, this sits on the desk in such a way that if I have this on my desk with my iPhone mounted right there, it's at a fantastic angle for still being able to view what's on the screen. Now, that alone would not justify the $99.99 price if it was just a magnetic desk charger that plugged into the wall. What makes this, I feel, more justify the price and why it's called a charging station is because on the back of it, you get 3 AC plugs. 2 of them are upside down. 1 of them is right side up. And 2 USB-A charging ports and 2 USB-C charging ports. As Chickenhead21 just said in the chat, wow, this is so cool. Some family members are getting this for Christmas. Thank you. Yeah, right? This thing is so awesome. Oh, I should also mention it's got surge protection as well. There's a little LED light for surge protection and grounded protection to let you know that the plug that you're plugging it into is properly grounded. And then this has surge protection built into it. It's IQ3 USB-C charging and IQ USB-A charging, which for Anker, let me see what that means here. High-speed USB-C charging, 65 watts for the USB-C. And I'm not sure how much the USB-A charging is. It's less, of course, than 65 watts. But 2 spots of 65-watt charging, 2 spots of slower charging for USB-A style devices. And then you get the 3 AC plugs at the top as well so that you can plug in whatever else you might want to. This sits on a desk with that phone facing forward, and then everything else can plug into the back of it. This is just perfect for the corner of the desk. I've got a HomePod Mini on one side that's about this size. I set this on the other side, and boom, I'm charging all of my devices. It comes in a few colors. I just have the black one here, or the gray, I guess, version here. And I just think this is one of the cleverest products that Anker has made. It's an all-in-one device that I like. I think everybody should have one of these on their desks. It just makes perfect sense. It's great.
Yeah. Especially if you've got, say, a 13-inch MacBook Pro or something, those will charge with the 65 watts of power. I believe the new 14-inch ones, you'll need to check the power input on those to see whether or not that can use the 65-watt USB-C. But of course, you've got the plug. I love this. I wish we had that sort of thing over here in the UK. Our plugs are quite a bit bigger. So that's not something that's easy to do. Our plugs are also incredibly safe and incredibly painful if you stand on them. So, we swing some roundabouts there. Yes, that is fabulous. And don't forget, folks, Anker often do Black Friday deals. And I believe they are doing they've already got it on their webpage. At the moment, they're Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. I've actually already picked up some of the Eufy products, which is one of Anker's other brands. For Black Friday sales, but have a look there if you are looking to get some family members some great charging devices. I know the MagGo charging lineup is pretty good. I looked at the battery, I think it was last week or the week before. and the ring. But yeah, this is good stuff. I'm officially jealous of you, Micah. But it's okay. I'll let it
Yeah,
slide.
I'm sorry that they don't have the plugs in the UK. Your version in the UK, but yeah, that makes sense. That it would be hard to fit 3 of them onto the back of this because they're a little bit bigger. But yes, this is such a clever idea. Congrats! I like seriously, congrats to Anker for making these. It does a good job. So yeah, $99.99. We'll include a link in the show notes. And as Rosemary said, hey, check for Black Friday deals because there may be Black Friday deals for the Anker 637 magnetic charging station.